Let's create a website with a prompt for free. Can you imagine? This is the tutorial. This is so easy. You're going to love it. Just check it out. So, first of all, you need to sign up. In the prompt section, describe your website as detailed as you can. As you can see, you have so many templates to choose from. They are amazing. They look so modern, dynamic, sleek, sophisticated. Well, I had a hard time choosing one, I must say. So I was looking, I was paying attention, I was going back and forth because I wanted to choose the best one. You can only choose one. From your prompt, you get 4 and you choose one. I took a lot of time, I must say. Check out the result. How amazing is this? Don't tell me it isn't, because it's so dynamic. I fell in love with this, and this is so easy. You're going to have the best website. And can you imagine this is free? Wow! So I just wrote a prompt and I have all these sections to choose from, and now I have a surprise for you. Can you guess what it is? You're going to love it. Yes, it's true, there's more. What? You can edit and make it perfect for you. So check it out, let's see how it is. Click on the card, and on your upper right corner you have the options. There are many things you can change, basically everything. You can replace videos, you can add text, you can add links to your videos or to your images. You can add your email address and it functions perfectly. How do I know? I made mine, edited everything, and everything worked perfectly. You heard that right. Really brilliant. You are going to edit, and all you have to do is just make the changes you want. This is perfect. As you can see, you can check out the card and just click on the buttons, because you can choose many things to add or to change. Let me give you an example. Let's change some images. So you have several options. You can upload your own, or you can use the ones in the library, for example. You can even connect it to your YouTube channel and have your videos there. So now it's your turn. If you like the video, don't forget I have amazing free AI tools for you in my playlist. Just check them out. You are going to create amazing stuff for free. You'll thank me later. Thank you so much for being here with me on my journey. Again, if you like the video, do like, subscribe, and hit that notification button so that I can keep on bringing you the best free AI tools for you and your projects. Bye bye for now. Thank you.